مرحبا شباب، كيفكن؟ شو أخباركن؟ إن شاء الله بخير. ممتاز. So today I'm gonna share with you top phrases for insults. Interesting topic. So I'm gonna teach you how to insult people in Arabic. So get ready. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and also click the notification button if you want to receive more videos like this, okay? And yes, watch the video to the end if you want to learn everything about insulting people in Arabic. Ya Latif. Okay, so here is the first phrase I want to teach you. I wrote them on the laptop, so let me have a look first. Yes, the first one is روح من خلقي. روح من خلقي literally means get out of my face. روح من خلقي. So you can use that, let's say, like, if you're very angry from your friend or situation and you don't want to talk about situation, avoid it. You just say روح من خلقي. I just don't want to talk now. That's the first one. Second one is, this is a good one. روح بلط البحر. روح بلط البحر. What does that mean? It means go and pave the sea. That's literally go and pave the sea. But the English equivalence for this would be do whatever you want. I couldn't care less. روح بلط البحر. Like if if your sister told you, I'm gonna tell your mom you were smoking, I saw you smoking, and you can tell her روحي بلطي البحر. Or if your boss is going to fire you from the job and you don't like your job, and you can tell your boss روح بلط البحر. I don't care, I couldn't care any less. تمام. The other one, yeah, that's a good one. Shut up. Which means سكر تمك. So literally means shut your mouth. سكر تمك. I mean, there's another one which is stronger. خراس. So if someone talking nonsense, you just tell them خراس أو سكر تمك. You see this finger? It's like a lot of Arab use this. يا أيها. And the last one I want to teach you is this one. This is a good one. طز. Just طز. That means I don't care. طز. If someone tell you something that you don't care about, that you say طز. I don't care. طز. طز means like actually there's no literal meaning. I don't know how they made up this word, but it's only two letters, ta and za. طز, like I don't care. طز. What else I need to teach you? Yes, this is a good one. نجوم الظهر أقرب لك. نجوم الظهر أقرب لك. What does that mean? It means literally the daytime stars are closer to you than that. Which means in English you say like don't even think about it. نجوم الظهر أقرب لك. So don't even think about it. If someone trying to threaten you or trying to tell you I'm gonna do this, you say نجوم الظهر أقرب لك. نجوم الظهر أقرب لك. You will never get it. نجوم الظهر أقرب لك. So again, what are the 4 or 5 phrases we have learned? The first one is روح من خلقي, which means get out of my face. The second one is روح بلط البحر, do whatever you want. And the third one is سكر تمك, or خراس, shut up. And the fourth one is طز, which means I couldn't care less. And the final one is نجوم الظهر أقرب لك. I love this one. The day stars are closer to you than that. So don't even think about it. ممتاز. So yes guys, so this is the your first 5 phrases to go and insult people. So learn them and go to Ajwa Road and start insult everyone if you live in London. It will help, you know. ماشي, that's all for اليوم. شكرا.